Hey, Verlinda Sweeting here. In this video, I'm going to give you a review of a brand new program that opened March 2021 called Infinity Processing System, or IPS. It's a digital training course created by Adriana Villegas. This is Adriana here. This is her Facebook page. And she has been doing this whole online thing for 5 years. And she has done very well over the years. As a matter of fact, she created systems before, and one particular system that she was promoting was called Email Processing System. This is how I came across Adriana, how I learned about her, okay? Seeing the system. It was a $25 website where you made $25 per sale, okay? Following this system, I made $500 the first month and then $1,000 the second month. Okay, you can see right here it says proven system since 2010. Adriana made the video 2015. Okay, so basically what I'm saying here is that systems like this work. Now let's go back to IPS, because what Adriana did with everything that she learned in all the years, 5 years, she put it right here in IPS and took it to the next level. So the product again here is digital service. It's training that teaches you how to grow and expand your brand. And as we take a look at the site, you can look along with me so that you can see how the Infinity Processing System can benefit you as a newbie or as an experienced marketer. Okay? Now, let me just say this, as an experienced marketer, you can take this training here and apply them to your own business. Okay, so this isn't just for newbies. It's for experienced marketers as well. You could read all of this here. When you click the link below, you can see everything. So all this is training that you get. We're going to talk about the training, and then we're going to talk about the money side of it, should you decide that you want to make money promoting IPS system. Okay, so you have the influencer brand. This is the starter level package, and you can scroll down here. It's only $50 one time, no monthly fee for you to get access to the training. Okay, the one-time $25 admin fee is if you want a website like this so that you can make money with IPS. Okay, so if you want to make $50 one time over and over again, instant 100% commissions, then, and you can only afford to start at the starter level, then do that. Okay, so at the starter level, the training, you get 30 ads, okay, plus 20 bonus image ads, winning mindset formula, the art of persuasion and influence, 7-day fast action plan, 6-figure closing script, Facebook marketing strategy, 30 Facebook groups, Craigslist marketing strategy. This is awesome. And Facebook support. Okay, that's $50. You can pay through credit card, Cash App, or Zelle, and any type of payment that you want to add on here, should you decide that you want to become an affiliate of this program, then you will be able to add any type of way you want to get paid here as well. PayPal, including Bitcoin, whatever you want, you can add them here. Okay, let's look at the next one, the elite level. Okay, Internet Automation Secrets. So when you come to this level, it's $150 one time. Again, no monthly fees. 100% commissions what you get. So the elite level, you get everything the starter level gets, but let's scroll down some more. And we ended at Facebook support group, but you get Instagram, YouTube automation, how to create 2 to 5 sales per day on automation, and how to create your 6-figure automated funnel. All right, so that's what you get at the $150 level. You scroll down if that's the one you want. This is where you choose to make your payment. Okay. All right. The 6-figure blueprint. This is where I'm at. It's also highly recommended. So let's end from the $150 level. 30 email follow-ups to close your sales on autopilot, TikTok marketing, access to the VIP training live chat. 30 days of email marketing, automate your social media growth with one powerful strategy, live trainings, extra bonus hotel and restaurant vouchers, things like that. So that's the level there, $300. Okay. Now at this level, $300 pro level, you get access to all of Adriana's strategies that she used for the past 5 years, okay? And that allowed her to make 6 figures online every year. So why not follow someone who's been doing this and mastering it, for years, right? She breaks down what she does every day, okay? So whatever she does every day, she shows you that so that you can create results too. And the strategies she teaches inside, they're focused on income producing activities, and that's what we want, right? Because that's going to help you generate leads and potential sales, okay? That's what we want. So if that's what you're looking for, then choose where you want to come in at, but at the starter level, pro level, just know that you're going to get access to all of Adriana's strategies, okay? All right, so once you choose, where you want to begin, you're going to have access to log into the system. All right, so once you have access, you made your purchase, you get access to the system. What happens is after you purchase, your sponsor is to give you access to the training, okay? That's how that works. So you make your payment, and then whoever you join under, if you join under me or whoever else you join under, they can give you your training as soon as possible, okay? Whatever package you chose, whether it's the starter level, elite, or pro membership, it will say it on your members only account, okay? So all you're going to do is create your account there, and then you'll have access where you can log in, okay? So let me go ahead and log in, and I'm a pro member, so you're going to be able to see everything from, what the starter gets, the elite gets, and of course the pro member gets, okay? So that's what you'll be looking at in my members area, okay? So here you have the getting started video. Adriana comes, she shows her face, so you're able to see her face in the training, which is great. You have access to the coaching group and access to the Facebook group as well, okay? So I'll show you one of the groups towards the end, so you can see the proof group, see how everybody's doing there and how big the community is there, okay? So basically what she talks about in this video, it's a getting started video of how to grow and expand your brand. I mentioned that earlier. Make sure you go through these videos. I joined, I think it was last Monday, and I took my time and went over all the videos, okay? So I'm not going to tell you what every video is about. You're going to have to come in and see for yourself, and you're going to have to take your time and go through them too, because they're very good up-to-date training, okay? So again, Adriana shows her face in the videos. She explains how you need to create and set up your website if you are looking to make money, make those 100% commissions with IPS, okay? So if you want to set it up with PayPal, you can go ahead and do that, and then you just follow what she says and do it. If you want to use Stripe and you need help with that, I have a video for you that I created so that I can help you get those set up so you can get your buttons going. So let me show you, for example, like right here, I can show you how to do that. Now Cash App, Zelle, all that is easy, and all you have to do is just copy and paste, and then you'll have yourself set up, okay? So just follow these steps here, and right here is where you would order your $25 website. So let's go back here now so you can see. Right here it says $25 admin fee website. Basically what you're doing is you're getting your buttons and all of that together. You're getting all this together, created, and then you're going to send it to the admin so that they can create this entire website. So you see all of this here, this whole website, it'll be yours. It'll be branded to you, okay? And you'll be able to use this and make your sales from it as well. So how does that sound? So if you choose the $50 package, you're only going to be able to pay get paid $50. So let's take an example here. If you came here at the $50 level, right? You paid to start there. That's fine. That's great if that's where you can start at. However, when you start promoting, if someone decided to join under you, but they wanted to get on the $300 level, you won't earn those commissions. Your sponsor will earn that, okay? So get in at the level where you're comfortable at. I'm making this video so you can be aware that, if you don't want to lose commissions, go all in, okay? let's go back to the inside. Once you get yourself set up with everything, I'm going to blur out information here, but you'll have a list of things that you need to do. I have that list done for you already. All you have to do is fill in what you need to. I did it to save some time for you. Okay. All right. Next, step 2, while you're waiting for your website to be made, this website right here, while you're waiting for admin to put all of this together for you, add your picture and everything, your name, all of this stuff in here, then what you're going to be doing is going to take about 24 to 48 hours. Okay. Mine didn't take that long at all. It was like the same. I got it that later on that evening, my website was finished. So step 2 would be to create your automated sales funnel. So you want to do that. Make sure you put that together. This is optional. You don't have to do it. But if you want to use what Adriana is using, then you use this funnel here. Get response is what they use for the automated emails. So she shows you how to put that together with get response. But if you have your own system, okay, a lot of us marketers who are experienced, we know how to create our own thing. You don't have to use Adriana's funnel. You don't. If you're new, you might want to think about that, even though it's optional here. Okay, you still can just make your sales from this website. But if you're looking at this long term, you want to do this the right way, then you want to make sure you put your funnel together. All right. All right. What to say when they ask you for information. This is really good because a lot of people don't know, they're new to this, so they don't know what to say when someone asks them, hey, what is this you're doing? Can I have more information? Adriana tells you exactly what you need to say. Art of persuasion and influence. You have your 200 pre-written emails and 60 bonus image ads. How to upgrade. So for example, if you're at the $50 level, you would come here and upgrade. Okay. And what you would have to do is you would have to pay an admin fee to upgrade. And I think it's $15. It's a one-time fee. Okay. All right. 7-day action plan for success. Facebook marketing strategy. Adriana shows you some neat things that you can do to beef up your Facebook. So you want to watch that video. How to purchase traffic. This is optional as well. It's solo ads. So we all know about that. Those are optional to use as well. Craigslist marketing. I've seen Adriana's Craigslist training before. Okay. So I know it works because it's worked for me. And that's without using any VPN, things like that. And like, you shouldn't use that. Craigslist will work if you work it. Okay. She breaks down what you need to hear. All right. That most people are not going to tell you. So Craigslist marketing is really good. So if you're interested in that, the training, if you're only interested in that, then that's at the $50 level as well. Okay. Okay. So then there's Instagram marketing, YouTube automation. This is probably my favorite training because, I still have a hard time with videos because I'm really shy about doing videos, but I can tell you that it works. If you look at my channel, I don't have as many subscribers as Adriana does, but I know that videos work. Okay. Adriana mentioned in the training here, she said, don't underestimate the power of YouTube. It will give you a breakthrough. And I agree with that. It does. Your video would do all the explaining for you. Okay. You don't have to repeat yourself. You give them that video and it does everything you need. So you could be sleeping, right? Out shopping, whatever it is. And people are looking at your video. All right. It's the fastest way to build trust between you and the prospect. All right. So she's got a lot of videos in here. It's really good. She teaches you how to structure your video. She shares a formula. She calls it the VIP formula that you can use to apply to any marketing platform so you can start generating results. She's using that formula. Well, she's been using that formula for 5 years and it's helped change her situation. So if you're interested in that, YouTube marketing, if you already do a little YouTube and you just need like a little kick, then this YouTube automation is what you want. And the level for that is the $150 level as well as the $300 level. TikTok marketing. This TikTok thing, I've heard of it, but I'm new to it. So if you always wanted to learn how to market your business on TikTok, then you're only going to find that training right here in the $300 level. Okay, so she's really putting in her work when in her training here. All right, so then you have automate your business with your 6-figure system. You have that there, and then you have an extra bonus here if you join under the $300 level, where you get hotel and restaurant discount vouchers. Okay, so that's pretty much it with what it looks like on the inside. Again, you have the support group up there, and now let's take a look at the group. All right, so here is the Facebook group. This is the IPS, or Infinity Processing System Proof group. All right, so you can see the number of members that are here right now. These are members who have chosen the level that they wanted to come in, and they were ready to get started so that they can start earning 100% commissions instantly to their accounts. You got the pro level here, starter level, again another starter level, elite. Okay, so remember, the pro level is the $300 level, starter is the $50, and elite level is the $150 level. Majority of the members are coming in at pro levels. You have pro, there's me there. See all the pro members that are coming in? So whatever you think makes sense to you. Obviously the pro level is what everybody's going for, pro and elite. So you make that decision and come in at the level that fits you. Okay. All right. So that is the proof group, guys. You can come in for free. And when you join the group, you have to answer a couple of questions. They're going to ask you who invited you to the group. All right. I think it's just 2 questions, and then, just wait to be approved to the group. All right. So again, how to get started so that you can make money with IPS? Well, choose your level. You either want to come in at the $50 level, $150, or the $300 level. All right. So if you're coming in at the $300, you pay your $300. And then when you come inside and you want a page created like this, that's where you're going to come in the system once you have access to it. And you're going to come right here and pay your $25 website. All right. So you pay $300. And then when you come inside, you want to make money with IPS, you pay your $25 website fee. Okay. I'll have all the instructions waiting for you so that you'll know what to do. I'm right here to help you. I appreciate you for taking the time to watch this video. This is a review on Infinity Processing System created by Adriana Villegas. My name is Verlinda Sweeting. I'll see you guys on my next video.